Hello everyone, this is Joy with Joy's Happy Hobbies and Joy's Putty. Today I have an unboxing for you to share, and it's my first time ordering from this company, TheOneWithTheDiamondArt, and I will get it open here. This is the box. See, I got to back it up. This is the box it came in, and it's got a cellophane wrapper on it. I have my husband back here coaching me. Okay, so it's the one with the diamond art, and I'm excited to open it. So it came in this nice box. It's cellophane covered, so I've got to get the cellophane open on it. Let's take care of that now. Oh dear. Where do I open it at? It's sealed pretty good here. Let's see, I think right here. Get this cellophane. Should have done this beforehand, huh? And now there we go. Let's see if I can get it open. It's still pretty tight on there. I'm trying not to hurt myself. Can I get it open now? Boy, it's pretty. There we go. There we go. Got it open. And if I have it out here, it's too far away from me. It's actually, okay, here it is. Oh, first we got, okay, so this painting's got 200 colors in it. This is going to be the biggest one that I've ever done. The most drills. And it's got some ABs, as you can see already there. See those sparkles? Okay, we'll look at those in a second. Here is the card. Thanks from Meg and Kathy. Kind of shiny there. One with the diamond art. Can you see that? There we go. Thanks from Meg and Kathy, the one with the diamond art. And there's their information at the bottom. Is there some? Nope, nothing on the back. Okay, I'm going to pull it out now. Oh, it's going to be a big one, I think. All right, here we go. There it is. Put that aside. Anything else in here? Nope. Okay, so put the book aside, or the box aside. Move these drills over. Here we go with the camera. Let me move that. All right, so all the information must be on the inside of this. So let's do it this way. Then it'll be a surprise for you. Here, see if I can back this out a little bit. All right. And we'll show it as a surprise. Oh my. Okay, so here's, oh my, there's more drills, more drills. All right, before we get to see the painting, let me go through this. Okay, this is the inventory sheet. Now, I've read a lot of, I'm doing this painting. Originally, I bought it for the J Wall event that Debbie West Wilson and Kimberly Turley are doing, but had some mishaps with it in delivery, so I'm getting it kind of late. Here's there's the picture right there. It's called Aquarius, and I picked this one because my birthday is January and I'm an Aquarius. So how about that? And I've always wanted to get an Aquarius. So there's 2 pages. And they're sticker sheets. Maybe I should make this closer now. There we go. So they're sticker sheets. There they are. And another page. Okay. The labels pull off. All right, so maybe these will work for the containers and I won't have to print my own up. Okay, so that's the inventory sheet. Then it has a little goodie bag here. see what's in the goodie bag. And then this is a nice velvet bag with their name on it. The one with the diamond art. Okay, so what do we have in there? We have a boat. Typical boat. Drill boat. Oh, we've got some really pretty washi tape. Look at that. Look at that pretty washi tape. Can you see? It's kind of shiny. It looks like it's going to go with the painting too. Look. See? It's going to go with the painting. All right. And a little container of red wax, which I don't use wax anymore. Of course, I use my Joyce Putty. And oh, look at the pretty
tweezers.
Tweezers. I couldn't think of the name. Nice curved tweezers. I don't use curved tweezers, but you know, I may try with this. And it's got a nice cover on there so you don't poke yourself. And it also says the one with the diamond art on there. And a squishy for the pen. Your typical pen for that come with the kits. And it has three different tips, placers. And they're not numbered, but this looks like it might be like an 8-placer, a 5-place. Oh, this one's got a number on it, maybe. I think it says 5. And this looks like a 2-placer here. Okay. Alrighty. So that is what is part of the kit. Okay, let's move the drills over. Okay, I'm going to turn the painting over and we're going to see how pretty it is. Look at that. All right. Ooh. I don't know if you're going to be able to get the whole thing in here. Let's see. Look at that. It's going to be a lot of confetti. Lots of confetti. Help me, help me, help me. Okay. Look at it. Isn't that pretty? So there's a lot of confetti, so you really can't see.
That's a lot of confetti.
You really can't see. My husband says that's a lot of confetti.
That's
yeah.
Gonna take you
This is going to take me a while to do, especially with 200 colors. Here is the legend, by the way. It starts here, and look how far it goes, all the way up. Oh, I can't even get it in the whole screen. There it is, 200 colors. Wow. Wow. But it's a nice canvas, and it's got poured glue on it. Look at the canvas in the back. It's a nice felt padded back, and it's got the what do you call them? Scorched edges, scalloped edges here so that it doesn't ravel. Let me see. The painting is 60 by 75. There it is right there. 60 by, can you see that? I know with the glare. It's not going to focus. No, it's 60 by 75. I can't get this to focus. It's Aquarius by Josephine Wall for the J. Wall event. And it's a square diamond painting. I like squares. So, that is the painting. Let's see. Let's move this out of the way. Let's take a look at the drills. Holy moly, look at all these drills. Holy moly. Two packages of drills. So it looks like they have, how many ABs does it have? God, it's hard to read this one because the legend is so small. No, it doesn't say it on the sheet. Oh yeah, it does. What was I going to say?
ABs.
I was going to see if it's ABs. Ah, here we go. I guess the things that say A on them are the ABs, right? So it's got 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6 ABs. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't know if I should even open these. It's so packed so nice. So that is 200 reels, 200 colors. My goodness, this is going to be a project. Just kitting it up is going to be a project. Anyway, that's my opening. So all I want you guys to do is remember to hit the subscribe button and the like. Like is very important. And hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put up another video. So I hope you like this quick unboxing, and I'll let you get back to your days. All right, so have a good evening. Bye. So this is a PS. I always do PSs because there's always something I forget. I wanted to take the picture up close to the camera so you can see all the confetti. What it looks like to me is riding in a plane and looking over a city or a state. And these are all the little houses and everything in there. You can't even really tell all the numbers. Look at that. Look at that. That is a lot of confetti. All right, I just wanted to show you that. Oh, and it is, you know, I mentioned it was poured glue. Yeah, it's really sticky. So, okay, I'm going to let you go. Bye.